truly remember Allah in the right way as you should and do zikr of Allah, your heart will be content. And the best example I can give you is of Shaykh al-Islam, Ibn Tamiyyah. Some of you may be aware that he was a mujaddid of Islam. As the hadith of Sahih Bukhari says, every 100 years there will be one person who will revive Islam. And has given the title of Shaykh al-Islam. His lifestyle is worth for the Muslims to read and to learn from. Ibn Taymiyyah, may Allah have mercy on him, Rahimullah, when he was threatened by the enemy that they'll imprison him, he was threatened of being executed. He replies, "What can you do to me? If you imprison me, I would do zikr of Allah. I would remember Allah. If you exile me, I will do tafakkur. I will contemplate on the creation of Allah. If you execute me, I will become a shaheed. What can you do to me? My Jannah is in my heart." This is absolute true happiness. The false happiness can be taken away. If you're happy because you have a car, someone takes away the car, you will not feel happy. If wealth and gold is your happiness, someone robs it, you will not be happy. Here Ibn Taymiyyah is telling to his enemies, what can you do to me? If you imprison me, I will do zikr of Allah. I'll have more time to do zikr. I'll get closer to Allah. If you exile me, remove me from this land, I'll do tafakkur, contemplate on the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on His creation. If you execute me, I will be a shaheed. And what better thing that you can ask for? Your life is sacrificed for being a witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this example that you have, and he says, my Jannah is in my heart. You cannot take my Jannah. You cannot take away my happiness. Because happiness is in the heart. Whether you torture him, whether you give him trials and tribulation, this happiness, true happiness, remains. This true happiness will remain irrespective whether in good times or bad times. Whether you're problems or no problem. Whether you're rich or whether you're poor.